Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can find date time in Python. So to find the date and time in Python, you have to import a module. So you just have to import date time module. dt is equal to, I will say, date time, and from date time actually I want to know the date time and obviously now. Why? Because I want to know the current date and time and for now. Okay, so let's run it, and here nothing because I haven't actually printed. So let's print it dt, and now if I run it once again, and here you can see, if you look at the right corner, exact time, right? Okay, 2025 4 month, and the date is 21, I mean day is 21, and the time is exactly same. All right, now let's I want to know about the day. Here you can see Monday. So let's find out how you can actually find the day. So what you have to do, so we have to say here that print dt dot strf time. Okay, and here we need to say, inside double quotation we need to say %a to know the day name. Okay, here you can see mon, and let's say I want to know the full name. So I have to give here capital A, and here you can see Monday. So this is how actually you can find the day also. So this is the day, right? So now I want to find out the date, only the date. Okay, so I will say here dt dot strf time, and here I just have to only mention %d to know the date. Okay, and here you can see 21. And now let's say I want to individually find out print dt dot month name. So I have to say like this, strf time, and here I just have to mention %m for the month. Here you can see it's 4 month, right? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.